Hi guys! This recipe is for those of you who think that salads can be boring, and it's usually because of the dressing. So in this recipe I'm gonna be focusing on how to make a very interesting dressing that will go with most salads, well, most green salads actually. So let's get to it. So first we're gonna start with 110 grams of olive oil. So as a rule of thumb, you wanna have half oil and half other liquids that are usually acidic, like vinegar, lemon, lime. To that I'm gonna add the juice of one lime, and first I'm gonna zest it. So this way we take all the flavors of the lime from the skin and inside. "20 grams of soy sauce and 40 grams of rice vinegar. You add to that 50 grams of brown or white onion, some black pepper, and 5 grams of salt. So now we blend everything and we taste. So you don't have to worry about the dressing being too acidic or too salty. This is what it's supposed to be, because all the greens are gonna be very watery, so this will compensate. It's great. You can add to it a little bit more acidity. It can be vinegar, it can be lemon, or you can keep it the way it is. Now the second most important thing in making a good salad is to mix it well. I'm gonna use some lettuce here, red and green, and the wild arugula. I put it in because it gives this mustard-like taste, and it's also very healthy. Lettuce are the least healthy of all greens. And kale, of course. Now for the kale, try to chop them as small as possible because they tend to be a bit chewy. So gently mix all the greens. Make sure everything is seasoned, and then you can dress the plates. The third most important part of making a successful salad is texture. And usually I use all sorts of nuts and seeds. In this case, I'm gonna use raw pumpkin seeds that I'm gonna put on top, sprinkle. You can put pistachio, you can put walnuts, and a little bit of sweetness that I'm gonna get from the pomegranate. And that is it. There goes a very healthy, light, green salad. Perfect way to start any meal. If you enjoyed this recipe, please like the video, leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for many more to come.